हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज हम यहाँ पे जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया का जो असिस्टेंट मैनेजर पोस्ट है वहाँ पे फाइनेंस के टॉपिक कवर कर रहे हैं, जो है फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड ग्लोबल फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस एंड इम्पैक्ट। ओके, इसके ऊपर यहाँ पे 50 क्वेश्चन अपन सॉल्व करेंगे। और आई कार्ड जो है वो रिलीज हो चुके हैं। जिन्होंने अभी तक आई कार्ड डाउनलोड नहीं किए वो डाउनलोड कर लीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, ताकि इंपॉर्टेंट एंड एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस आपको डायरेक्टली नोटिफिकेशन थ्रू मिल जाए। और एक बार NICL एंड SBI क्लर्क की अपन ने सीरीज स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं। जो भी वो एग्जाम्स दे रहे हैं वो भी सीरीज में कंटिन्यू रह सकते हैं। ओके, प्लेलिस्ट को ऐड कर लीजिए अपने पास, क्योंकि अपन ने उसके ऑलरेडी जो प्रीवियस ईयर के पेपर्स हैं वो पोस्ट करे हैं। और डेली में यहाँ पे टॉपिक वाइज प्लस मॉक पेपर भी पोस्ट करूंगा, तो वो भी आप एक बार देख लीजिए। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपन क्वेश्चन। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट? आंसर इज लॉन्ग टर्म ओनरशिप एंड मैनेजमेंट इंटरेस्ट इन फॉरेन कंट्रीज। ओके, नेक्स्ट सेकंड, which of the following is a major advantage of FDI for host country? Answer is transfer of technology and skill. Next third, which type of FDI is aimed at accessing the resource of host country? Answer is resource seeking FDI. Next fourth, what is round tripping in the context of FDI? Answer is redirecting investment through multiple countries to avoid taxes. Next, fifth, what is greenfield investment in FDI? Answer is building new facility in foreign country from scratch. Next, six, which of the following is a common determinant of FDI? Answer is market size and growth potential. Okay. Next, seven, what does the term backward vertical FDI implies? Answer is acquiring supplier or raw material in host country. Next, eight, which organization monitor and facilitate global FDI flow? Answer is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Okay. Next, ninth, what is the primary purpose of bilateral investment treaty? Answer is protecting and encouraging FDI between two countries. Next, 10th, which sector typically attract the highest FDI inflow globally? Answer is services. Next, 11th, what is widely considered the trigger for 2008 global financial crisis? The answer is collapse of the housing bubble in the United States. Next, 12th, what is subprime mortgage? Answer is loan offered to high risk borrower with low credit worthiness. Next, 13, which major financial institution collapse mark a critical point in the 2008 crisis? Answer is Lehman Brothers. Next, 14, what role did credit default swap play in financial crisis? Answer is they implied financial risk by insuring risky asset. Next, 15, what is the primary function of fiscal stimulus during a financial crisis? The answer is promoting economic growth through the government spending and tax cuts. Next, 16, which policy tool did central bank primary use to address the 2008 crisis? Answer is quantitative easing, that is QE. Next, 17, what was one of the major global impact of the 2008 financial crisis? The answer is decline in FDI flows. Next, 18, what was the purpose of trouble asset relief program in the US? Answer is bailing out struggling bank and financial institutions. Next, 19, Which global regulatory framework was revised in response to the financial crisis? Answer is Basel III. Next 20. What was a key criticism of financial institution of following the crisis? Answer is their excessive risk taking and lack of transparency. Next 21. Which of the following is an example of horizontal FDI? The answer is a retail company opening store in another country. Next 22. What is the primary benefit of FDI for the home country? Answer is accessing foreign exchange earning. Okay, sorry, diversification of investment globally. Next 24. What is the key feature of joint venture in FDI? Answer is shared ownership and control between local and foreign entities. Next 25th. Okay. Which region has historical attracted the highest FDI inflow? Answer is East Asia and Pacific. नेक्स्ट 26 25 होना चाहिए था, कुछ तो भी मिसिंग हो गया. ओके, व्हाट डज द टर्म स्पिल ओवर इफेक्ट मीन इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ एफडीआई? तो आंसर इज इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू द लोकल बिजनेस थ्रू टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट. Next 26. What is the main purpose of special economic zone in attracting FDI? Answer is creating low tax and duty free environment to attract foreign investor. Next 27. Which of the following sector is often restricted for FDI due to national security concern? Answer is defense and telecommunication. Next 28. How does the ease of doing business index impact FDI inflow? Answer is country with easier regulation attract more FDI. Next 29. Which strategy is typically employed by government to increase FDI? Answer is enhancing infrastructure and simplifying regulation. Next 30. What is a significant risk for companies engaging in FDI in emerging market? Answer is political instability and regulatory uncertainty. Next 31. Which of the following sector was most affected during the 2008 financial crisis? Answer is real estate and banking. Next 32. What is moral hazards in the context of financial crisis? Answer is risk-taking behavior encouraged by the acceptations of bailouts. Next 33. Which European country was most affected during the Eurozone debt crisis? Answer is Greece. Next 34. What does the term too big to fail signify? The answer is financial institution considered critical to the economy requiring bailout to prevent collapse. Next 35. What was the primary purpose of quantitative easing during financial crisis? Answer is injecting liquidity into the financial system by purchasing government securities. Next 36. Which financial regulation was introduced in the US after the 2008 crisis to reduce systematic risk? Answer is Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act. Next 37. What is contagion in the context of global financial crisis? Answer is transmission of economic shock from one country to others. Next 38. Which global financial institution provide emergency funding to countries during crisis? Answer is International Monetary Fund, जिसको IMF बोलते हैं. Okay. Next 39. What was the common criticism of international financial institutions during the crisis? Answer is their focus on austerity measures or debt-ridden countries. Next, 40. Which economic indicator is closely monitored during financial crisis to assess recovery? Answer is gross domestic product growth rate, मतलब GDP growth rate. Means 41. What is brownfield investment in the context of FDI? Answer is acquisition or leasing of existing facilities in a foreign country. Next, 42. What is the primary reason for a company to engage in market seeking FDI? The answer is to enter new consumer market and increase sales. Okay. Next, 43. What is a relationship between FDI and globalization? Answer is to facilitate globalization through cross-border investment. Okay. Next, 44. Which of the following is a disadvantage of FDI for host country? Answer is potential exploitations of local resources. Next, 45. Which country was the largest recipient of FDI in recent year? Answer is China. Next, 46. What is the primary focus of outward FDI? Answer is facilitating domestic companies to invest in foreign market. Okay. Next, 47. Which of the following does not typically attract FDI? Answer is high corruption level. Next, 48. What is one common method of measuring FDI inflow? Answer is balance of payment statistics. Next, 49. What is critical integration in the context of FDI? Answer is integrating production process by acquiring supplier of distributor abroad. Next, 50. What is the effect of FDI on balance of payment of the host country? Answer is create a surplus by attracting capital inflows. Okay. नेक्स्ट जो रहेगा वो इम्पोर्टेंट एंड एक्सपेक्टेड एमसीक्यूज अपन सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके. जिन्होंने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो ताकि नोटिफिकेशन थ्रू आपको वीडियोस मिल जाए. तब तक के लिए